To start your fitness journey with Step App, you'll have to download the app. If you have an Android, head over to the Google Play Store and search for Step App. If you are an Apple user, head over to the App Store and search for Step App. You can also go to the Step App website and you will find all of the links to download the app there. In the app, you can use FitFi and KCal to play and earn. Don't worry, this is something we will go into more detail about in another video. The first thing you need to know is that you have to connect an existing external wallet. To do this, you'll have to go to web.step.app. If you don't already have a wallet, that's okay. You can create a Step App wallet in-app if you have an Android. When you create your wallet, make sure that you write down your wallet's unique seed phrase offline and make sure you do not lose it. We recommend storing it offline to keep it as safe as possible and prevent hackers from accessing your funds. When you have your wallet set up, if you don't already have FitFi, you can purchase it from centralized exchanges such as OKX, Bybit, or Huobi, or on our Step Network decentralized exchange at app.step.exchange. Now that you have your wallet and FitFi set up, it's time to get a sneaker. To start earning, you will need to have a sneak when you go on your walks or runs. In the in-app marketplace, you can either choose to buy a shoebox or a sneak. If you choose a shoebox, you will be able to see the sneaker type and quality, but you will get a surprise random sneak. When you buy a sneak, you first need to consider what type of movement you will be doing. Are you a runner or do you prefer to walk? Sneaks are broken down into 4 different types: the walker, hiker, runner, or coach. Selecting the type for your sneak depends on how fast you will be moving. Each sneak has 4 attributes that contribute to your performance, earning, and experience. These attributes are activity, luck, balance, and resistance. You should take a look at these and consider which ones would be most valuable to you when you're buying a sneak, as attributes will affect your earnings. When you have found the sneak that you want, all you have to do is click on it and hit buy. It's that easy. When you buy a sneak, you use the FitFi from your spending wallet. After you buy your sneak, click equip, and then you'll have to wait for your energy to build up as your first sneak comes with 0 energy. Before you start your first run, make sure that your location services are switched on. Once your sneak's energy has built up, all that's left to do now is get moving. To begin moving and earning, go to the sneak you just bought, click on Equip, and then hit the Run button. You must be in the green to earn. If this screen shows up in red, that means you are not moving at the required speed for your sneak. Ready to end your movement for the day? First click Pause and then click Stop to end your run. A summary of your run will show up on screen once your run has ended. And just like that, you've earned your first KCal tokens. After a run, users can get chests that contain valuable in-game items. Now's the time for you to check and see what you've got. You can use your KCal in the app for repairing your sneak, leveling up your sneak, opening chests, minting sneaks, and much more. You can even trade your KCal on exchanges to get stable coins. Have more questions or just want to learn more? Head over to help.step.app or check out our other tutorials for a deeper dive into each topic. How does it feel to be part of the future of fitness?